Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. In our last session, we have discussed the lesson, the poem, the third poem, Miss Polly. And I told you to complete all the bits in your classwork as well as in your textbook. Hope you all have done the work, children. And today, we will discuss the fourth lesson, A Rainy Day. So, what is the name of the lesson, children? A Rainy Day. Okay. Lesson 4, A Rainy Day. What is the name of the lesson, children? A Rainy Day. Now, I'll read the text. Look at the screen, children. Amol is coming back from school. He is walking fast. There are black clouds in the sky. He is feeling scared. What if it rains? He does not have a raincoat. He does not want to get wet. He does not want his books to get wet. Suddenly, it begins to rain. Big raindrops fall on Amol. They fall on the road. They fall on the houses. Okay. So look at the picture, children, here. Amol is there. This is Amol. See, he's coming from the school. In the evening, he's coming from school, going back to his house. So as he is going back to his house, what happened here? See, Amol is coming back from school. He is coming back from school and going to his home. So he is walking very fast. He is walking very fast. Why he is walking very fast? Because there are black clouds in the sky. You can see the black clouds here, children. The clouds are black in color. Okay. Now the clouds has become black in color. It shows that the clouds are in black color as it is going to rain. By seeing the black clouds, Amol is walking very fast to reach his home because he is feeling scared. So before the rain starts, what happened? You can hear the thunder sound and air will come in a lot of force. No, the wind will blow very forcefully. So as it is becoming dark and wind is blowing very fast and clouds has become very dark, he was scared of listening all the sounds and the atmosphere. He thought that, what if it rains? If it rains, then how? He does not have a raincoat. So Amol did not carry any raincoat or umbrella to the school. So if rain falls, what happened? He may get wet. His books may become wet. So he does not want to get wet. So he don't want to get wet and he does not want his books to get wet. So if rain falls, he may get wet and his books may get wet. So he does not want himself to get wet as well as his books also. He does not want to get wet. Now, as he is not willing to get rain, what happens? Suddenly, it begins to rain. Though he is not at all interested or not at all feeling of getting wet in the rain, but the rain suddenly started. Suddenly, it begins to rain. Now, you can see in the picture, the raindrops are falling on Amol. Big raindrops fall on Amol. So, these are the droplets, children. Big droplets are falling on Amol. They fall on the road, they fall on the houses. You can see the houses on the way to Amol's house. So, big raindrops are falling on Amol, big raindrops are falling on the road as well as big raindrops are falling on the houses. Next, what happened? We'll see. Next, Amol stands under a tree. The tree does not let Amol get wet. A little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The cute pup stops near Amol. It rains and rains. The tree gets wet. Amol gets wet. The little pup gets wet too. So suddenly the rain started, and now the raindrops, very big droplets of rain is falling on Amul, on the road as well as on the houses. So when the rain started heavily, what happened? Amul stands under a tree. You can see in the picture here, tree is there, roadside a tree is there, and Amul stood under a tree. At first what happened? The tree does not let Amul get wet. So at the beginning the tree stopped Amul getting wet. So it does not let Amul get wet. Meanwhile what happened? A little pup comes running. You can, in the first picture you saw that a little puppy is also running along with Amul. So here also a little pup comes running. She came there running. How the pup was? The pup is brown and cute. The puppy is in brown color and it is so cute. The cute pup stops near Amul. Now Amul is standing under the tree. The pup also ran there and it also stood under the tree near Amul. Now the rain has started heavily. It rains and rains. At last what happened? The total tree gets wet. Amul gets wet. The little pup gets wet too. That means now all they have become wet. Amul, the tree, Amul as well as the puppy. You can see here in the picture, see puppy is there near Amul. It is standing near Amul. It is very cute and brown in color. They stood under the tree. Now the tree is wet, Amul is wet, and puppy is also wet. Then what happened? We'll see. Suddenly it stops raining. Amul runs home. He wants to reach home soon. The pup runs after him. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day! So suddenly the rain has started. Now after becoming wet, what happens? Suddenly the rain stops. Suddenly it stops raining. The rain has stopped now. As soon as the rain stopped, Amul runs home. He wants to reach home very fast. Very soon he wants to reach home. That's why he ran to his home. As he was running, back of him the brown puppy also runs back of him. You can see in the picture. The pup also runs after him. And then finally he reached the home. After reaching the home, again it starts raining. Again it starts raining. After Amul reaches the home also, now the rain again it started and it is raining, raining, raining. So oh, what a rainy day. As it is a rainy season, it is raining heavily. Okay, this is about a rainy day. What happened on a rainy day? Now once we'll read the text, children. Come on, all of you, read. Look at the screen and read. Amul is coming back from school. He is walking fast. There are black clouds in the sky. He is feeling scared. What if it rains? He does not have a raincoat. He does not want to get wet. He does not want his books to get wet. Suddenly, it begins to rain. Then, big raindrops fall on Amul. They fall on the road, they fall on the houses. Amul stands under a tree. The tree does not let Amul get wet. A little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The cute pup stops near Amul. It rains and rains. The tree gets wet. Amul gets wet. The little pup gets wet too. Then suddenly it stops raining. Amul runs home. He wants to reach home soon. The pup runs after him. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day! This is about the fourth lesson, a rainy day. Children, now I'll show you the video of the lesson, a rainy day. Watch and enjoy it, children.
A rainy day. Amol is coming back from school. He's walking fast. There are black clouds in the sky. He's feeling scared. What if it rains? He does not have a raincoat. He does not want to get wet. He does not want his books to get wet. Suddenly it begins to rain. Big raindrops fall on Amol. They fall on the road. They fall on the houses. Amol stands under a tree. The tree does not let Amol get wet. A little pup comes running. The pup is brown and cute. The cute pup stops near Amol. It rains and rains. The tree gets wet. Amol gets wet. The little pup gets wet too. Suddenly it stops raining. Amol runs home. He wants to reach home soon. The pup runs after him. It starts raining again. Oh, what a rainy day!
That was the video of the lesson A Rainy Day. Hope you all enjoyed the video, children. With this, we'll close today's session. In today's session, we have discussed the lesson A Rainy Day. Coming to today's your homework, read the lesson A Rainy Day. In tomorrow's session, we will discuss the textbook bits. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.